Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mark emails as junk in Hotmail so your inbox stays clean and clutter-free. Yeah, let's get into it. First, sign in to your Hotmail account using your email address and password. Just go ahead and enter your details and log in as usual. Nothing fancy here. Once you're in, go to your inbox and find the email you want to mark as junk. Click on it to open it, or just hover over it. Either way works, really. Now, look for the junk option in the toolbar above your emails. Click on it, and Hotmail will automatically move that message to your junk folder. Yeah, it's that simple. After that, you can go to your junk folder to make sure the email is there. It's a good way to double check that Hotmail is filtering it correctly. And if the email looks suspicious or is trying to trick you, you can also choose a report as phishing. Just be careful before you click that. Make sure it's actually sketchy. And that's basically it. That's how you mark emails as junk in Hotmail and keep your inbox tidy. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Yeah, thanks for watching.